Most cleaning services are missing one critical thing that leaves your home feeling dirty again within days. You pay for professional cleaning, they clean the obvious surfaces, but skip the crucial touch points: door handles, cabinet edges, and baseboards. Plus, the revolving door of different cleaners means no one learns your home's specific needs. The result? A home that looks clean but doesn't feel truly clean. Germs spread from these missed areas, leaving you frustrated and unsatisfied. At Bear Brothers Cleaning, we've solved this problem. Our 33-step cleaning checklist ensures every detail is covered. We clean what others miss, delivering the thorough clean you deserve. Plus, we assign you the same cleaner who learns your home's unique needs. All our professionals are background checked. Everything is backed by our Bear Clean guarantee. Not satisfied? We'll re-clean for free. See the difference systematic cleaning makes. Every surface, every detail, every time. We're Alabama's top-rated cleaning service, serving Huntsville, Birmingham, and surrounding areas. From regular housekeeping to deep cleaning, we handle residential and commercial properties. Experience the Bear Brothers difference. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com. Don't settle for surface cleaning when you can have the thorough clean you deserve. Bear Brothers Cleaning, where every detail matters. Call now and discover what you've been missing.